Hi guys, welcome back or welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Beth and today we are going to be cleaning. Originally I wanted to get this done in one day, but it ended up taking two, which is totally fine. It happens sometimes. So this is the start of the first day. Jared had already left for work and I got myself ready, and now I'm just tidying up our room and starting by making the bed.
I'm gonna show you the tricks that I know. I'm getting tired of talking, and I need more of a show right now. It's time that you made your mind up. Lately all it ever does is change. Feels like we're only talking, going round and around, back around. I will fight like no other every day. I won't stop like the others. I will stay. 'Cause now is the right time, and I'm feeling alright. I'm playing your game like I know I can win right now. I'll do it on my way. I'm gonna show you what I'm going through, get you out of your comfort zone. 'Cause I need more of the truth right now. It's time that you made your mind up. 'Cause lately all it ever does is change. Feels like we're only talking, going round and around, back around. I will fight like no other every day. I won't stop like the others. I will stay. 'Cause now is the right time, and I'm feeling alright. I'm playing your game like I know I can win right now. You got me on tonight, 'cause loving you is like I'm walking a tightrope so high. I won't be turning around, no, I won't be turning around. You feeling alright? I'm playing your game like I will win tonight. Don't forget it, don't forget it, don't forget it. We'll turn this around. Don't forget it, don't forget it, don't forget it.
Here is a quick overview of our messy kitchen. There's a lot of people who live here, so this is super realistic for like a couple days of backed up. So let's get into it and get it cleaned.
You got me checkmate. No one's watching or nothing. I have cleared out the room, also that you can get to be the big spoon. Ooh, cuddle me blue. Take me to the edges of you. Ooh, ooh. Cut through every little inch of my skin. Baby, I will let you in. Ooh, ooh. Call me up in a minute. Call me up, set me straight. Pickpocket my eye socket.
and tidy up this little kitchenette area that we have. I had just gone grocery shopping, so I had to put everything away and reorganize, and honestly, our pantry area was a mess already, so I just needed to clean it up.
Baby, I can't wait begin. Ooh, cuddle me blue. Take me to the edges of you. Ooh, ooh. Cut through every little inch of my skin. Baby, I will let you in. Ooh, ooh. Cuddle me blue. Take me to the edges of you. Ooh, ooh. Every little inch of my skin, baby, I will let you in. Ooh, ooh.
Put your body on the kitchen table and move the dishes to the side. Yeah. Girl, you always tend to drive me crazy, looking at me with those eyes. Yeah. Put some music on, turn the lights down low, throw the pillows off the bed, blow the candles out, move your body slow. If you got something on your mind, I'ma try to help you let it go. Try to help you let it go.
So at this point in the day, it was about 7 o'clock, and it was time to start making dinner because Jared was on his way home. If you guys want some instant pot meals, I will totally start doing them, but today was just a quick instant pot chicken day. And this was pretty much the end of my cleaning for day 1. I just ran out of time, and so I continued it the next day. Jared brought me flowers, and after like a whole day of working, it was just like the best. So as you saw, this is the second day, and again, I'm starting with making the bed. I've already got myself ready. Jared's already left for work, and so this is the time that I'm gonna hit it and finish everything that was on my list from yesterday.
Try to help you let it go. Try to help you let it go.
Once again, I'm going to the kitchen right after, and I don't know if you guys have noticed, but every time I clean, I have my YouTube on in the background. A lot of the time it's cleaning videos, but today it was kind of just a random mix of everything that I like to watch, and that's super realistic. Again, I love just standing and watching YouTube, obviously. Really though, I do like to have it on in the background, and it does help me stay productive, but obviously sometimes I get a little distracted by it and I'll just stand and watch for a minute.
Help you let it go. Oh, no. Try to help you let it go. Try to help you let it go.
Normally when I'm cleaning, especially when I'm doing the dishes, I'm wearing gloves like I was the last time I was doing the dishes. However, I don't know if you guys noticed, but yesterday there was a big hole in my gloves from my engagement ring catching on the side. So I threw those gloves away. I've replaced them already, but I decided to just take my rings off and do it barehanded for today.
I'm a little bit naughty, I'm a little bit too consumed, but every part of my body is telling me to run away from you. Come a little bit closer, yeah, yeah. Come a little bit closer, yeah. You're a little bit crazy. It's been days, but you never change. What's love got to do with it? he comes around, better knock that stuff down. Come a little bit closer, yeah, yeah. Come a little bit closer, yeah. To all my ladies who got a brother that doesn't treat them right, put your finger right in his face and tell that man bye-bye. I'm too fly, I'm too fly. Bye-bye, bye-bye, bye-bye. You're a little bit selfish. You get mad every time you lose. You can't take me with you. I'm scared you're gonna blow your fuse. Come a little bit closer, yeah. I can really start over, yeah. In the back of my mind, there's someone waiting on me. You're just wasting my time because you're scared and lonely. Finally got some closure, yeah. I can finally start over, yeah. To all my ladies who got a brother that doesn't treat them right, put your finger right in his face and tell that man bye-bye. I'm too fly.
Beth gets scared in 3, 2, 1. Pretty sure you guys just saw me jump and freak out when I was moving my landlord's stuff. I don't think it was apparent enough. I'll show you. I think it's dead because it's not moving, but it was shocking and I didn't like it. Okay, that's it. It's not that big of a deal, obviously. And I'm sure you guys can hear the dogs barking upstairs. This is my roommate's dogs. Yeah, it's not that big of a deal. I just don't like surprises like that. I put a Tupperware on him. I'm pretty sure he's dead because he has yet to move. But I don't know really what to do right now, and I'm home alone, so I don't like lizards. The lizard's out now. I got it handled. Traumatizing. I don't not like lizards. I just don't like surprises like that. And I don't like having to deal with them, especially when I'm here alone. Okay. Shut up! Okay, bye.
Don't tell me how you feel, so quiet laying next to me. A silent souvenir, letting you go, letting you go. Keep craving you the days that you don't want me, like searching for some heat inside a cold breeze. On and on forever, won't you hold me? Now won't you hold me? Oh, 'cause baby I try to tell.
So here I'm just going to be cleaning all of the floors. Since there are so many people who live in our house, the floors get really dirty. It's just hard for you guys to see how truly dirty they are. But we do have a central vac, so it goes into the walls. And it makes it pretty easy. It's just kind of hard because that big tube. But it goes by pretty quickly, especially when it's all sped up like this.
This all night we can do it. All night we can do it. All night, baby, won't you hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Guess we're pioneers, roaming around the atmosphere. I hate when you're not near, drifting away, drifting away. Keep missing you the days that you don't see me, like searching for a heart inside of my sheet. Sitting here forever, won't you hold me? Now won't you hold me? Oh, 'cause baby I try to tell lies. Now I could spell them out if I still tried. 'Cause I don't care as long as you're there, as long as you're there. Baby, we can do this all night.
So now I'm just mopping all of the floors, and when you see me crouched down, it's because I'm scrubbing at a spot that just won't come up with the mop, and I'm spraying a pre-treat on it and then scrubbing. So I was going through that during the kitchen, and then I just went over it all with the big mop.
All night, baby wants to hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. The closer I get, the further you go. I wanna know if I walk away, do you wanna get close? Do you wanna get close? Baby, we can do this all night. Keep on second guessing our love, oh no. I don't really care if you don't mind, don't mind. Baby, we can do this all night. Keep on second guessing our love, oh love. I don't really care if you don't mind. Baby, we can do this all night. We can do it all night. We can do it.
So in this clip, I'm just replacing the stove top, and then I have a couple dishes to just add to the dishwasher, and then I'm just putting these chairs back from when I mopped.
It was a Thursday.
I had been doing laundry all day, however our laundry room isn't the best for filming, so here's just me folding the laundry that was clean.
It was a Friday night when I first kissed you. You struck me like lightning. You broke my chains and released me. And days turned into nights on the couch in your apartment. No, I am not the same. Everything has changed. Every day, 24/7, you call my name, and I will come running. Yeah, every day, 24/7.
Just the overview of our clean upstairs room. Everything's tidy and put away. It is so nice having a clean room again. And then the downstairs is just the same. It's so nice and clean, and it's a lot easier to keep it clean when I spend 2 days just to deep clean it like this. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you guys have any video requests, or if you just want to see more of this content, let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!